Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Sharp Raleigh addressing the issue mentioned by President-elect Trump yesterday in his message to YouTube. Uh, One of the part which is uh, which is a change in a departure from his original message on immigration, is a part of about the visa programs. He never Yesterday when he made his five mention of his priorities, he never mentioned actually the war, which is good. He never mentioned about unlawful workers, which is good, and also about the war. But he's putting focus on what we call the visa program, which he says have issues, and he's kind of claiming that there are problems there, and he has suspicion on the guest worker programs. And guest worker programs are considered H1Bs, L visas, O visas, H2Bs, J1 visa, OPTs, etc. So if he doesn't change his plan again, we are going to see some major changes now on H1B. I did a video earlier about the H1B, and many people were thinking, okay, that was not his focus, but the IT companies are going to really suffer now because a lot of people depend on the H1B programs. But what he's saying is he wants to cut off quote unquote consulting companies, what we call IT consulting companies such as Infosys, Tata, etc. That's what people are concluding. But again, with President Trump, things change by day, so he might change his mind again. But until then, it seems like his focus now is on those visas, and there is a chance that a lot of people who had hoped that, well, not hope, but who have been thinking that he is actually going to focus on other side of immigration, including quote unquote illegal immigration. Now his focus has shifted to legal immigration. Maybe it's because of all the protests, etc. But at the end of the day, for people who are in business, in the business industry, they need to be ready, especially if you are in a company that does H1B, L visas, etc., or you're employing people on those visas. You might want to double check all the things. We have been saying that for years, that you need to make sure everything is done properly according to the law, and now things are going to be enforced more strictly. We don't have more details about how those enforcement will take place, but he's going to instruct Department of Labor to check. So what I can foresee probably is there will be more site visits, there will be more documentation required, or ultimately he might put a hold on the H1B itself for next year. So this is something that we are expecting. We were expecting, especially having Senator Jeff Sessions and go back to basically be in the immigration team. Things are going to really not be as easy as many people were thinking it will be with the Trump presidency. So I wish all the people good luck, and hopefully things are going to work out. He's a businessman, so we are hoping that he will look at it from a business perspective. But at the same time, there are some political promises he made, and he has to meet them. So far, he has back off on, for example, on persecuting Hillary Clinton, which is causing a lot of issues with his own groups. So hopefully, he will be following some rules which are at least in accordance with what America represents. We wish all of you best of luck again, and whatever I'm telling you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions, and the reference is on fortune.com and also on political.com. You will see very good articles on those. Good luck.